Experiencing glitches with your 2025 Honda Accord's infotainment system? A quick reset can often resolve issues like freezing screens or CarPlay connectivity problems. There are three main reset methods: a system reboot, also called soft reset, a hard reset, and a factory reset. Start with the least intrusive method first. To perform a system reboot, simply hold the power button on the touchscreen for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. This clears temporary memory and resolves minor issues. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by simultaneously pressing and holding the volume up and down buttons on the steering wheel for 10 seconds. If neither of these work, proceed to the next section. If basic resets don't resolve the issue, try a factory reset. This will erase all personal data and settings, restoring the system to its original state. In the infotainment system, navigate to the Settings menu, then System, and select Factory Reset. For CarPlay-specific issues, start by ensuring your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Next, reset your iPhone's network settings by going to Settings, General, Reset, Reset Network Settings. If wireless CarPlay still has issues, try using a wired connection for troubleshooting. Always perform these resets while parked to avoid distractions.